Welcome to Bacalar, Mexico.
Let's get on, we gotta go and stay strong for a while. Yeah, till we make it.
Good morning, explorers! After 4 hours of driving from Cancun, we already arrived here at Bacalar, Mexico. It's a little bit gloomy right now, but I hope the sun will show up later on so that we can explore and see the beauty of the lagoon of Bacalar, Mexico.
It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers. Don't care what other people say. We live it like this could be our final day. We're dreamers. Don't care what the others say. We're doing this in our way. We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. We come alive. We come alive. What's your weakness? What's your type? Somehow I wanna know all about you.
We're here at Fergus and Felipe. I hope it's open right now. But first, we're going to look for a place where we can eat as we're already starving. We haven't eaten our breakfast yet.
It's like
And after that, we're going to look for a tour company where we can rent a boat so that we can explore and see the beauty of the lagoon.
we're dreamers. Don't care what other people say. We live it like this could be our final day. We're dreamers. Don't care what the others say. We're doing this in our way. We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the
Forte de San Felipe was ordered to be built in 1725 by Antonio de Figueroa y Silva, the Spanish governor of Yucatan, as a defensive fort to preserve the state against the push of the English colonizers. It was finished in 1730.
What's your weakness? What's your type? Somehow I wanna know all about you. Deep connection lights a spark. You already know me when we dance in the dark. We're dreamers. I got this feeling like it's starting now, starting now. I feel adventurous with you. And there is nothing that can hold us back, hold us back. We can do what we wanna do. Cause we got all the time in the world. For better or worse, we should stay together. So let's stay young and in love. We should focus on us forever. Yeah, baby, if you are feeling like I do, we could run away across the ocean. Baby, what you say? We can leave today. Anywhere we'll go, we'll be alright. It's all about you music.